So in this video we are going to discussing about the centroid of a channel section. Channel section means it is nothing but C section also, right? So in the C section I already told you that either we have to consider the reference axis for as per your convenience, right? Here I am going to take my reference axis in this direction, x axis in this direction and y axis is in this direction. So I have considered an axis system, x axis and y axis here. So these are the dimensions we are having. These are the dimensions. So in the previous classes I already discussed that whenever you are having a section, whatever the type of section it is, whether it is a symmetric section, unsymmetrical section or composite section, whatever the section it is, simply first you have to divide those structure into number of parts, which is a convenient parts, right? Don't make it as a complex one, right? You please divide as per your convenience, right? So try to make it as a very easy division, right? In this manner, right? In this case I divided into first part, second part, third part. All these three are in a rectangle blocks. So that is very easy for you to calculate, right? Now we have to calculate, we are supposed to calculate regarding x direction and y, that means centered about x axis and centered about y axis. So first case is centered about x axis. In this x axis the formula is as usual a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3. So x bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3, right? Why a1 a2 a3 means here we are having three parts, so that a1 a2 a3, and we are calculating centered about x axis, so that x1 x2 x3, right? Okay, fine. Now calculate what is a1, what is a2 and what is a3 as usual. A1 block means here it is a1 block, the dimensions are 15 into 15. Next second block is here, this is the second block, right? 70 into 15, and this is the third block, 15 into 15. So the area of blocks a1 a2 a3, here it is very easy because I have divided the structure as per my convenience, so it is a rectangle block, so it is easy for everyone to calculate the area of a rectangle block. So a1 a2 a3 are the area of these blocks 1 2 3, because these blocks may not be a rectangle, and sometimes it is a triangle, sometimes it is a square, sometimes it may be a triangle, or sometimes maybe trapezium or circle, semicircle, whatever it is, right? According to your structure it varies, right? So everyone has to remember the area of those particular cross section, then only it is very easy for you, right? Next it is you are supposed to calculate the centroid of what we call the x axis, that means x1 x2 x3. While you are calculating x1 x2 x3, simply take each and every block like this. First block is here it is 50, so this is the first block, 15 into 15, block 1, right? We are considering this is x axis and this is y axis. Now we are moving from reference x axis here. From this point to this point we are having distance 50. For any centroid axis, that means any centroid regarding of your rectangle block, centroid is 50 by 2, exactly at the center we are having, exactly at the center, so 50 by 2, so x1 equal to 50 by 2. Next take block 2. So block 2 is in this like in this manner, your block 2. So your block 2 has 70, this is dimension is 70, this is 15, that means your x axis is 15, right? So x2 equal to 15 by 2, because it is also starting from a reference line, so reference line 15 by 2. Next take block your x3, this is block 3, so block 3 means 50 by 15. So this is also starting from reference axis here. Always you have to move from the reference axis. So while you move from the reference axis, distance is 50, and the centroid of a rectangle block is exactly at the center. Centroid will lie exactly at the center for a rectangle block, so that always you have to make it as a centroid, as exactly at the center. That means 50 by 2. So your answer is 25. So simply substitute these values as is in this equation. X bar equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Substitute those values in this equation. You will get the value as x bar equal to 17.8. That is the answer. Similar manner, you are supposed to calculate y bar also. Y bar means what is the formula? A1 y1 plus A2 y2 plus A3 y3 by A1 plus A2 plus A3. And where y1 equal to, y bar equal to y1, y2, y3. What is y1, y2, y3? Simply supposed to calculate easily. Right? Please try it for yourself. Otherwise, we'll discuss in the next class what is y bar. Okay? So this is how you supposed to calculate for channel section in centered about x-axis. So here it is a 17.8 means here this total distance is 50 and this distance 15. That means somewhere here. That means here in this location. From this point to this point in this location, you are having 17.8. Centroid value is 17.8. From reference axis to exactly at the location. That means your centroid value for this block, for this entire section, the centroid will be lie at 17.8. That means here, somewhere here, 17.8. Right? So this is how your channel section for centroid. Right. Thank you.